Permission ko. Alam mo na
okay. So we have here the serum. No? So this is 10 ml because we're going to filter it first. But this is not our laboratory, so sometimes we have to find ways by which we can make it work. And sometimes not all the things that we need is available. So,
okay.
okay na, no? Okay na, sige.
Sabi na lang po ako pag may...
Pupunta lang kami doon din sa parang tao dito.
Ready ko mga sa...
Kuya, gusto siya kasi isa lang natin 60.
Ronald, can you prepare the yung garbage bag? Dati yung garbage bag natin. Kaya doon sa sa box mo. Doon sa box mo.
Okay.
So we need to filter it first then. Supposed to be, but this one because I have already sterilized my, it's okay. So we will just have to do it like this.
The flushing medium?
No, this is the fetal cap serum. So we have to put fetal cap serum in the flushing medium so that the embryos will not attach to the
walls of the
walls.
testicle.
Okay. So because this is this fetal cap serum I already activated last night. So to activate it, you have to put it in water bath, 56 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. And then you have to occasionally roll it to mix the inside. And then later, because it's a 100 ml bottle, so you have to roll it occasionally and then prepare the alcohols. Okay, so we have to put it in here. Okay? Because before we will inject, we have to filter. So that this is 0.45 micron. So we're going to inject. Actually, it depends upon the Sometimes it is okay to inject 10 ml for each, but Dr. Todoroki's advice is just to inject 1 ml. Just 1 ml. So at least the range, is about 1 to 10 ml, so it's okay. Because the purpose is just to break. Ay, yung mga plastic, doon. Ako na lang. Ako na lang. Okay, so now we're going to inject it. I think we need the bigger needle. Okay, so 1 ml. Nag-inject ako ng dati ng dahil siguro sa pressure inside, kailangan ko lang ilagay yung sa iyo. Hindi siguro sa iyo.
Naayos na natin ito. Tuloy-tuloy ngayon. Umpisa tayo eh. Mag-start tayo eh. Nung kasing sa amin nung ba ang style na hindi kami natubok pala. Gravity yung ginagagawin sa collection. Kasi may check up talaga pala ito. Ito sa dairy yun. Ito ngayon, ilang dairy. Kasama kami Italiano. Siya.
Ito pala yung planta ng kabila.
Doon kayo dumaan sa kabila?
Kabila. Hindi namin nakita.
Dito ako dumaan sa kabila. Dito. Yan, diretso na sa farm eh.
Ako. Mismong gate mo doon. Yung agad yung
Yung diretso na ako rin eh.
akin na agad yung
Kami dito kami dumaan eh.
malapit na
So,
talaga.
isa?
Malapit na po wala ito.
Kila?
Ito.
Wala. Kasi doon lang ako eh. Di ba? So now, this is your second time, right? Second time? Third time. Third time, yeah. Because last time we were, because for the body measurements for the...
Yes.
But the animals now are looking good. I mean, the body condition is...
The body condition is now okay.
Yeah, last time, I think you've been also maybe, yeah, the same thing with what you said last time. But unlike before, when we started, it's really very different. So in the laboratory, or in the mobile, of course in the laboratory, Dr. Tudoroki in Japan also, it's not so big. It's only this for the working room for. But in the inside the car, all the same also.
So, hindi ko na figure out paano kaya natin ikakabit.
Okay.
Ikakabit ito dito. Kasi, kailangan ko mag-inject ng ganito. Tapos, hindi natin ito-check eh. Hindi pa kapag ka-dextrose. Ito,
Alisin ito, alam mo ba?
Yan.
Hindi lang yun, alam mo.
Tapos, i-inject ko ito dati eh.
Ayaw ba?
Kaya na ayaw na mag-push eh, ayaw na tumuloy. This is the, if it is your first time na Nantin, ito dapat ang ito. Oo, ito ang pinapasok ko ito eh. Pinapasok natin ito dito. Ayun. Tapos usually, ganyan dapat dito. And then, kaya lang, ang ginagawa natin dito is meron siyang ganito.
Control.
At dito na lang natin ilalagay. And then, sasarado siya. Kaya lang, saan natin dito ini-inject? Ay, dito.
Yan po.
Dito ini-inject
Yes,
eh. Oo, dito ini-inject eh. Tapos, Yeah. So, ikaya na natin ako. Oo, dito ko na ay, hindi, para ito mapunta doon. Kaya lang ngayon, kailangan pupunta dyan eh. Baka, dapat dito ko na lang pasok.
Saan mo nakikita? Di ba dito? Ano yun?
Pwede na, oo nga, baka pwede naman na ngayon kasi naano naman na. Sumingaw na siya. Na, pwede ko bang alisin?
Pwede
Sige.
Sige. Hawakan mo na ito.
Oo, hindi. Problema dyan. Problema wala ano? Problema. Problema may tumulo ba? Ang makalakihan mo yung needle.
Ito, may tumatulog dati.
Ha?
O nga, kaya nga, nilala ko din itong 18 gauge.
Tapos yung aking naka-ready na siya.
Yan.
Kaya mga ganito nila.
Oo nga, kaya hindi ko hindi nakita. Kung paano nila. When we join Dr. Todoroki's lab, it is already, ayun, 1, let's go to 2, 3, 4.
So no need of shaking for it to mix.
That's already mixed.
That's
So this one, we will add this one if we need. Ne? So usually one animal, total of 35, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So maybe this one is enough. No? Maybe this one is enough.
Chocolate na naman.
For the other animal, we will just put one's, but it's just good.
So 15.
Subukan mo ilagay yan. Ito, subukan mo. Ilagay mo. Subukan mo lang. Subukan mo lang. Okay, ano yung kalain ng...
Maybe the only needle is the problem. That needle has challenged me.
Sorry. Maybe you find this one is
And
big
then,
and then
so now another challenge. Ay, dali ko mo nga yung 50 ml na syringe. Yung 50
Ito,
ml na.
ilagay, makahanap ito.
Ando lang sa sa ibabaw.
Kasi ikaw naglagay doon eh. Mas madali.
Doc, so this is the specific dextrose that we use.
So this one comes when it is already
This already, this also used in human being.
Oh, so it's insane.
So it comes when it is already processed.
Yes,
This one,
this is already commercially available.
Okay.
But of course, in the laboratory, to the rocket, we prepare their own.
Oh.
Because now, since we are just establishing, so we can easily buy this one.
But, so for example, if we were to buy this in drugstore,
Yeah.
they will require a
There is no prescription.
So what is prepared is only this one.
Yeah, this one is I need to prepare the for the laboratory. And what else? I think this one only. And there is another one where they are putting a sorbitol in case there is sticky or somewhat that there is blockage in the this one is tube. So you can put it to dissolve that.
So it is close there. Maybe we have to cut this one until this. And then try it. The problem is I cannot find a needle that is feeding type. Ne? This is lower type. So we have to check if
Mayroon pang dito yung black.
this one daddy. Ito
Ito na lang. Kasi yung dos na nilagay na di ba? Pero meron din tayo doon sa isa, di ba?
This one I have to
Sige, natin siguraduhin mo baka.
and then it's okay.
So this is for
Try it.
organization.
Can you hold it, Michael?
Bakit?
Oh,
Kasi sasak mo.
because I will try.
Be careful kasi kung minsan may natapon. Kaya.
So this is the challenge, ne? So you have to suck this one. First is 30 with 35. Oh, 35. And then he will give to him. He will insert to the animal, and then he will suck. And then this one we have to put in the filter. There is filter, and then that's why there are two syringe, because after this you have to give him 35, and then next is 40, 45, and then 50, and then the last one is 50 ml of air, just air. Oh, just air, for him to remove all the flushing medium inside the animal. And then after that, the collection, the flushing in one horn is finished. So he has to remove the air in the balloon catheter, and then he has to remove the balloon catheter, and all the content of the balloon catheter he has to dispense in the embryo filter. And then after that, we have to wash the balloon catheter using another flushing medium, and then he will transfer again the polycatheter in another uterine horn, and then repeat the procedure.
Yeah, 35, 40, 45, 50. Then another 50.
No. Is it? Yeah, don't forget to close. So we have to practice. Okay. So this one is
Awas na lang mo yan. Hugas mo sa
I have
So,
the
hindi ba isa-sit up mo ilagay mo yung microscope para ano mo yan?
yeah. Okay, we just have to practice that one so that everybody will know. So don't forget how to so that one goes. Maybe we can make it shorter. I'm not sure. So these two, and then after this you can transfer here, because this one we will use it in the other animal. So you have to hold that one, and then here. So this is finished. This is finished.
Nasaan na yung garbage bag mo?
Here.
Ayun, kaya may lakas talaga ng natin.
During the process, are there any precautions to be careful about sanitization?
Be very careful that the embryos, the collected filter, is not going to be exposed in the sun, because that is radiation and it can affect the viability of the embryo. And also,
okay. Pwede guys pa siya. Basta, i-ready mo lang muna dito yun. And then, let's say,
wait, and now here is the another one. Dapat supposed to be, this has to be 37 degrees centigrade. So we have a pail inside the van. There is a pail. I also brought hot water. So I also brought a thermometer. It's inside the so you have to make it 37 degrees centigrade, and you have to submerge this one so that it will become 37 degrees centigrade. But of course, you have to consider the condition, the aerial. You have to check in your cell phone what is the prevailing temperature now. So maybe it will take time to make it 37 degrees centigrade. So maybe you have to make it around 39 degrees centigrade so that it can penetrate. And of course, the temperature also is changing. Yeah. And now this is the the embryo collection medium that I also have to prepare.